Greetings everybody and welcome to another episode of Chef Will's Weekend Throwdown. As always, it is a pleasure to have you all rocking with me. Happy belated Mother's Day to everyone across the world. Thank you for all the contributions that you guys do for all of us. Thank you for giving us life. Just thank you guys for giving us the understandings on how we can become great in this world. Now we're going to get right to today's episode. Today's episode will be on Blueberry Muffins. Guys, I hope you guys are excited. Listen, this is for all my bakers. If you're not a baker, that's okay. You're going to be a baker today. I know that. Listen, guys, this is a delicious recipe that you guys can share with friends and family and yourself. I saw you sneaking a couple. It's okay. You can sneak a couple more. But listen, guys, let's get to these ingredients. Let's get to the recipe. And I hope you guys just enjoy this one. Once again, happy Mother's Day to everybody. This is Chef Will. Enjoy. you.